Very serious weather up north of us.
Yes, north of our area. It's not in our area, but I'm holding a golf ball, and not because I want to go play golf today, but we've gotten a lot of golf ball-sized hail reports around the Oklahoma City area this afternoon. We've even got some live footage right now. One of the helicopters flying around over some damage from a tornado near Norman, Oklahoma, and you could see some roof damage and some of the roofs around this area. It looks like they're
You said a tornado hit there about an hour ago?
Yeah, about an hour ago, and there was a lot of damage. We've seen some, this just looks like possibly some hail that's collected on top of maybe a department store or something like that. But most of the damage that we'd seen earlier looked like probably about an EF1 to EF2 damage as that tornado went through that area. They're kind of scouting through there right now, also looking for some injuries. There had been a couple of reports of injuries, and this is just going to kick off a very active weather week across parts of the midsection of the country, down into Texas as well. I want to show you a live look from Viper radar this evening, and we have still a couple of very strong cells, and you notice almost all of it into Oklahoma this evening, but that line is continuing to push down towards the south. I want to show you a little bit closer view, and we still have a couple of tornado warnings through Cleveland County just outside of Oklahoma City. Now switched over to a severe thunderstorm warning at this time. This is that cell right about there where that tornado was, and you can see another supercell just off towards the south and west of Oklahoma City. So a lot of these we're going to be watching throughout the night tonight, and it looks like they are going to increase in coverage as we head through the weekend. Storm Prediction Center has put high risks out for the midsection of the country in their two-day forecast. This is only the second time this has ever happened. You can see these areas in red right here through parts of Kansas and Oklahoma, also up into Nebraska as well. And you notice it does extend down into parts of West Texas. Now, doesn't include us for tomorrow, but that chance does start to increase a little bit as we head into Sunday. We do have a slight risk of seeing some severe weather, mainly along I-35 and off towards the east, and this is from Sunday morning until Monday morning. It looks like for us the greatest threat is going to be hail and not tornadoes. I also think with this front moving in, our good threat is going to be also with some heavy rainfall across the area. Show you those estimates in just a minute. This evening, though, we are looking pretty nice outside. Got some scattered clouds, a little bit of sunshine out there. That's helped bump temperatures back into the low 80s. We're at 82 right now with a nice southeast breeze at 10. And it's not going anywhere either. In fact, the winds are going to be kind of breezy tonight and picking up tomorrow, becoming gusty. Could see some wind gusts in excess of 30 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon before that front does arrive. Notice some temperatures this evening, mostly 70s out in the hill country. 73 very comfortable right now in Fredericksburg. We're at 82 currently in San Marcos and in LaGrange this evening. And it's going to remain very warm during the overnight hours. Looking at water vapor imagery, you notice the bulk of the moisture through the midsection of the country. Still this upper level low off the California coast, and this thing's going to continue to move across the country over the weekend, and that will increase our rain chances, also increasing our thunderstorm chances as well. So tonight, maybe a couple little sprinkles developing, nothing heavy expected during the overnight hours. We could see a couple little streamer showers again tomorrow afternoon coming off of the Gulf of Mexico. But watch what happens tomorrow night into Sunday. We're going to begin to see that front arriving in the area, and it's going to kind of put the brakes on a little bit as it heads into our area Sunday morning into the afternoon hours. So that is going to increase rain chances. As of now, I think anywhere from about a quarter to a half inch of rain possible across the hill country, I-35 corridor, half to maybe 1 inch of rain, and off towards the east, 1 inch plus with some isolated totals of 2 to 3 inches. So we will be keeping our eyes on this very closely throughout the rest of the weekend. So tonight, very warm, 70. That's it for the overnight low. South winds at 8 to 15. Tomorrow, about the same as today. A lot of cloud cover, maybe a couple little sprinkles. 83 for the afternoon high. Chances of rain and thunderstorms increase tomorrow night into Sunday. We'll see that overnight low dropping to about 71. We'll hit 78 on Sunday. And behind that front, we're going to start to see clearing skies Monday, a high of only 77. Dry and beautiful Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And the humidity and clouds return for the end of the work week.